So we just got the rotors in for the Lexus. There is a right and a left, believe it or not, on the rotors. They look exactly the same, and the only difference between the two is the fins here. On the left side, these fins are facing forward, so when it's going like this straight ahead, it would actually catch air, suck it into the rotor. If this is on the right side, it wouldn't catch any air and pull it into the rotor, it would deflect it off. So make sure when you put these on, you do know that there is a right and a left, and put them on correctly, because it will cause a heating problem. So this is the rotor that I took off the left side. If you look at it, the fins are facing the wrong direction, so it wasn't pulling air into the rotors, which would cause it to get hot when you're driving it, which would cause brake noise. And that would explain, I guess, just why it's so out of round where you can see it in areas. So again, make sure when you do it, put the right rotor on the correct side.